Hi guys, this is your Sweetan. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to say about our Indian technologies, culture and education. So everyone, like after growing up, they always think to go abroad or foreign and study. No need for going there. Because the education where everyone thinks starts in the foreign, that's not true at all. The education has started in India because here India has a topic called Gurukul system, where a teacher sits up, students sit down, and learning from mind to mind topics. Because there were no scripts. I know that there are no scripts, but they had transferred the education or the knowledge from mind to mind. Because so till today, the education or the Asian system was still here, because probably most of them know about our Indian education systems. So I'll say that what is the benefit of mind-to-mind transfer of knowledge. So here what happens is that if you write on scripts, there was like I know that they means Britings, Mughals. There were like literally a very huge universities. I think you guys know about Nalanda and Takshashila universities. They consist of large scripts and very useful things. And if we go deep into Takshashila universities, they teach us what is aerodynamics and aeronautics. I think there is no need for explaining aeronautics and aerodynamics for you guys, because I think you guys know it. So what had happened is foreigners or the who came to invade India or capture India had destroyed the Takshashila and Nalanda universities. So because of the destructions or destroyment, made India to lose down its culture and education system, but not too much, because Indians are the greatest person in the world. In the ancient India, before invention of cosmology, our Indians know what is cosmology, and the cosmology is the study of cosmos. The actions, the reactions happen in the space. So that's why every country, especially Germany, respects the Indian cosmology, because they make the nuclear activities in progress. And you guys can get a question here. This is out of topic, I know. Even North Korea makes nukes, right? But why didn't they follow? That's their wish. This is just a simple answer. Okay, we shouldn't divert our topic. So why does Germany gives respect to Indians' cosmology or cosmotechnology? So the answer is that they purely believe that the German scientist Fugit believes that he saw Lord Nataraja's the idol, and he got to know what is the cosmology behind it. There is a formula for calculating cosmology or cosmic activities, like wave function equals to hv by dv. So instead he did like a very big huge function in here. So what's the real story of cosmology of India? So as we know that cosmology is a study of cosmos, but if you want to simplify more simple, like in quantum physics, what is quantum physics? A study of physics from particles, or you can say that the beginning of physics from particles, where you call a particle as anu, and this molecule as parmanu or parmanu. So this thing says that the anu or atom, which is there, the physics has started from that. Not only physics, even universe. Why universe? So there is a meaning that anything which starts, or any object which has will be having a center point, its beginning. Neither it be a human being or a living organism or a non-living organism. It has a starting life called Anu, or the main point of a object, where it shows the expansion of a object or a human being or a living organism. So there are a lot of examples for saying this main thing as Anu, but there is a question here. How did the universe form? So everyone says there's a theory called Big Bang Theory. It starts from phase, very small tiny organisms. Who likes to believe these jokes? And some people even say ancient period of times monkeys used to live. I used to get doubt in my school that they are saying our ancient Indians as monkeys. I think like that, but the truth is here. The universe began with cosmos, and the cosmos began with a tiny particle called Paramanu. And the Paramanu is the main point of university where no one can discover it. Everyone says that universe is expanding 5 to 6 centimeters per year. No, universe doesn't have an end point. It won't expand. That's called Vyapta in Sanskrit. So here, why Nataraja means the dance of Nataraja indicates the cosmic activities what are happening in universe. So that's why nowadays the talks are going about cosmology and quantum physics. Everyone can read, see, or tend to do works on normal physics. I mean optic physics and wave physics. But the quantum physics is a major topic that still the discovery is happening now. So let's come back to the nuclear progress of Germany. So what is happening there? Why do they believe in Nataraja's cosmology? So the thing is here that a missile or a nuclear weapon starts from the tiny particles called as atoms and molecules. So that's what they say atomic bombs. See, atoms are very small, but the combined and explosion of atoms can literally destroy a country fully. So in Germany's industries of nuclear missiles and like missiles or anything, they keep the Nataraja's, Lord Nataraja's statue front of the industry or the plants, nuclear plants. So that's why they are giving respect to the Indian culture. So let's dive back to our topic. So I said a word starting of this video, that technology. Yes, you're hearing it. Technology started from our own India by calling EECS, Electrical Engineering cum Fundamentals of Artificial Intelligence or Technology. So how do you get technology here? If we see in technology stream of our India, there are a lot of things. You can say about aeronautics, ships, cultures, and the nuclear weapons. In normal and simplification of nuclear weapons, you can say as the Astra, where no one can't. Even they use some things like this. So in aeronautics, they say that who are the father of aeronautics? Wright brothers. They invented aeronautics. No, they just said to the world that aeronautics is there. They didn't invent it. They just discovered that aeronautics can be happened. But the actual thing was before. As everyone knows Ramayana, the Ravana used Pushpak Viman to take Sita away from Ram. So there is a thing which is an object or a flight which is flying in the sky. How it was literally in the second yuga. So how could people invent an aeroplane 1 trillion years ago? So this is what we have to know. Like every student after he's 12th, he always thinks to go abroad and study because there are all very complicated topics. That's actually nothing front of Indian topics. Even you say 0.0001%, not even that much. The Indian topics are incredible. So even in education, the mathematics, the main subject in this whole universe, it can calculate anything. It helps the function, the things to calculate, the things to measure, the things to study, how to see a person in a mathematical mind. So the mathematics starts like there is a small sloka for zero or infinity. Anything which is zero can expand to infinity, but again comes back to its home. And that's not a sloka, that's a formula. And this formula is that Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnat Mudachate Purnascha Purnamadaya Purnameva Sikshate. Here this thing says that everything is zero or infinity, which again comes back to that zero or infinity, or again goes to infinity or zero. Somewhat like a tongue twister, right? Yeah. So they means the what Britishers and Mughals did, that they captured our India, they destroyed everything, they destroyed our own culture, they destroyed our education system, literally they destroyed our technology. But we Indians never gave back. We didn't attack. So that's why they say India is a unique country. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. That's for today's video. I'm signing off. Please subscribe, share and like. This is your Sridhar. Thank you so much.